Money management.
Hey there, family. Welcome back to our channel. How are you doing today? Let me know in the comments because I love hearing from you. It's your favorite finance buddy, Badamosi Omalola, back with another exciting video. Today, we're diving into Start Small, Win Big, daily habits for financial success. Listen, the journey to financial freedom doesn't start with winning the lottery or earning millions overnight. Nope, it starts with small, consistent habits that build massive results over time. In this video, we're breaking down the daily steps to help you go from zero to financial hero. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Stay with me until the end because I'll share practical examples, actionable tips, and a surprising twist you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Money management starts with clarity. If you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? Let me introduce you to Tund. He thought he was spending $30,000 Nigerian nairas monthly on essentials, but after tracking his expenses, he realized that $12,000 Nigerian nairas was going to coffee runs and $8,000 Nigerian nairas to subscriptions he wasn't even using. With that clarity, he cut back and started saving over $20,000 Nigerian nairas monthly. And here's the kicker, small adjustments like Tunds don't just save money, they teach you how to make smarter choices every day. It's a game changer for anyone serious about financial growth. Imagine if Tund had continued without tracking, he'd have wasted over $240,000 Nigerian nairas in a single year. That's money that could have gone to savings, investments, or even a vacation. Here's how to start. Download a free expense tracking app like Good Budget or Expense Manager. Manually record every naira you spend for a week. Categorize your spending into essentials, food, rent, and non-essentials, entertainment, snacks. Do this for 1 month, and you'll have a crystal clear view of your spending habits. Have you ever found your money disappearing like magic? Drop a comment about your sneakiest expense, I might have a tip to help. Saving can feel like a struggle, but what if I told you there's a way to save without lifting a finger? Yep, automation is the game changer. Here's the story of Nika. She set up her bank to automatically transfer $10,000 Nigerian nairas to her savings account every payday. Over 12 months, she had $120,000 Nigerian nairas, saved money she didn't even have to think about. And the best part? Nika didn't feel the pinch because the money was gone before she could spend it. Out of sight, out of temptation. Log into your banking app. Set up a recurring transfer to your savings account every payday. Start with a manageable amount, even $0.35, Nigerian nairas per week adds up over time. Your future self will thank you. Still think it's hard? Automating your savings makes it effortless and you'll be surprised how fast it grows. What's stopping you from setting up automatic savings today? Let me know in the comments, I'll help you get started. Think investing is only for the wealthy? Think again. Small investments today equals big wins tomorrow. Akin began investing $1.10,000 Nigerian nairas monthly in a money market fund. After 5 years, his investment had grown to $150,000 Nigerian nairas, thanks to compound interest. Small investments, big results. Research beginner-friendly platforms like Trove or Chaka. Start with index funds or money market funds to minimize risk. Set a goal, for example, invest $10,000 Nigerian nairas over the next 6 months. Monitor your progress regularly to stay motivated and make informed decisions. Remember, every naira you invest is a step closer to financial freedom. Even the smallest step can lead to something extraordinary if you stay consistent. Investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Have you taken your first step into investing? If not, what's holding you back? Comment below, I've got tips for you. Alright, fam. Let's talk about one of the simplest but most powerful habits you can develop: setting a daily financial goal. Small, consistent wins can make a huge difference over time. Here's your challenge for today: think of one small financial goal you can set for yourself right now. It could be saving $0.35, Nigerian Nairas, skipping that takeout coffee, or tracking your spending for the day. Easy, right? Setting a daily financial goal is like setting your GPS for the day. It keeps you focused and on track. For example, save $0.35, Nigerian Nairas, by bringing lunch to work instead of eating out. One small goal a day might seem like nothing, but over time, it builds momentum and confidence. So here's my challenge for you: set a goal right now. The important thing is to start. Drop it in the comments if you want accountability. I'll be cheering you on. Every big financial success starts with small, intentional actions. Let's make it happen together. Great habits aren't built overnight, they're built by showing up daily. Let's make finances part of your routine. Funmi created a morning ritual where she spends 5 minutes reviewing her goals, checking her budget, and planning her spending for the day. This simple habit has kept her focused and stress-free. Here's a quick tip: pair this habit with something you already do daily, like sipping your morning coffee or unwinding before bed. It makes the habit feel effortless. Choose a consistent time: morning, lunch break, or evening. Spend 5-10 minutes reviewing your financial goals and updating your budget. Write down one small step to take each day, e.g., avoid impulse spending, transfer money to savings. Don't underestimate the power of tracking progress. Funmi keeps a simple chart on her fridge, marking each day she follows through. It's a small motivator that adds up. And don't forget to celebrate small wins along the way. Progress is progress, no matter how tiny. Small actions every day lead to big wins. What's one ritual you can start today? Let me know in the comments, I'm cheering you on. Hard work deserves celebration. Why not make the journey to financial success fun? When Chioma paid off her first credit card debt, she treated herself to a weekend trip to the beach. Celebrating her success made her even more motivated to tackle her next goal. Celebration doesn't have to be extravagant. It's about acknowledging your efforts. Imagine treating yourself to your favorite dessert after sticking to your budget for a whole week. Sweet, right? Set small milestones, for example, saving $3,500 Nigerian Nairas, or sticking to your budget for a month. Choose affordable rewards, like a movie night or a fancy coffee treat. Write down your wins to see how far you've come. Here's an idea: create a victory jar. Each time you reach a milestone, write it down, and put it in the jar. At the end of the year, read through all your achievements. It's super motivating. Every step forward is worth celebrating. How do you celebrate your wins? Let's share ideas in the comments and keep each other inspired. Wow, family, what a journey. Today, we've learned how tracking your expenses, automating your savings, investing small, building rituals, and celebrating wins can set you on the path to financial success. Now it's your turn to take action. Hit that subscribe button to join our growing family and never miss a tip. BOOP that like button, it's your way of saying, more of this, please. Comment below with your questions, your favorite tip, or any topic you'd like me to cover in the future. And don't forget, we've covered some of these strategies in earlier videos. Check out our playlists for more inspiration. Remember, small steps lead to big results. Your financial success starts today. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep winning big.